Hello friends, welcome back to my channel that is Technical Knowledge Beta. This is Swapnil and I have posted this video. I'm trying to post this video which is related to the house created by me and my brother to related to my kitten, right? But I'm not able to post it properly because the title was not was not proper, and I'm looking for some tags properly, and I'm get bored means I'm not able to find out. So what I have done is ChatGPT. You can also use a ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a very easy way where you can also get the tags plus whatever the short title you want for your YouTube videos. You can get it from here. So from this video I will explain you what. So I just typed the just give me a this is my just rough idea about the title, and just give me a proper video description for that, and voila, the chat gpt will give you some suggestions. If you like the suggestion, then you can accept it and you can add and paste it same what I have done over here. So I just mentioned I have a YouTube video, short video for the beautiful house for our small kitten. Can you give me a proper video, YouTube video, short title and monetize tags for that? Now let's see what it will give us. So and this is one of the title that ChatGPT has suggested: cutest mini house for our tiny kitten, adorable cat reaction shots, and they have also given a description as well as the tags. So what I'll do, I just copy and directly paste it. So it will save your time also because AI will do for you, right? So I just have to copy paste the same things that they have mentioned. So I just copy the description and don't want this particular tag, so I will remove that. But I have first added the description and then I will remove first a couple of tags, right? And I think it's good to have some hashtags, so I just added that. Now the next thing is you need to add the tags. So for tags they have provided the monetized tags also. So what you have to do is you have to just copy paste. I think it will sometimes it will not work because this is not in the proper format, but let's see if we try to post it over here. Let's see it will post or not. Okay, so okay, great. So it posted, I mean it pasted over here. Okay, but the character limit is 627, and sorry, the tag should be in the 500 character 500 limit. So I will remove some of the tags, and we are good to post our video or short. So I'm removing some of the tags so that I will not get any error. Okay, so I can skip this. This also. Now we have some we can add some more tags. So I add fun, and let's try to add some more extra tags like a kitten and all. And let's see, now we have 500 characters. Now what we have to do is, if you are not aware about how to post the videos shorts in here, so basically if you select the category properly, then also it will reach to your audience properly. So this is kind of an entertainment purpose, so it's not a study purpose. So kind of say you can use at a study purpose if you're building something, but yeah, it's okay. I have highlighted as a entertainment, and now I will schedule it for uh, this particular date, and now we're good. So this is how you can use a chat gpt to post video title and description and all these things if you don't have time, or if you are not getting any ideas like that. So if you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.